so I'm in Target. I go to Starbucks because I haven't had breakfast. And I need some energy. Right? How about they ain't got no espresso? How you not gonna have espresso? What's up? I just dropped Paris off at the grooming salon, and now we're on our way to Target to go shopping. So we're gonna see like what type of deals they have, and hopefully I'll find something that you guys like. I hope you can see me good because you guys know I'm on my camera today, not my cell phone. Are you proud of me? So hopefully everything is coming out clear. Okay, we're here. We're at Target. Hopefully the quality of this comes out really well. I'm so nervous about filming in public like this because are people gonna be looking at me like, why is she talking to her camera? But we are at Target. Let's go inside and see what they have. Watch. We're on an LPN student budget, so let's see what we can find. The first thing that we're gonna do is get some energy for shopping, and we are gonna get a caramel macchiato iced with oat milk. Definitely oat milk. I'll show you what it looks like. Give me a moment. Alright, so I'm patiently waiting for my drink. However, they don't have espresso. Starbucks is always running out of stuff. They're making my drink. And I got a, I think I said it, but I got a small, or whatever the hell they call it, small here. Caramel macchiato with oat milk. I do not do cow milk. That is disgusting.
If we try it out, if you don't like it, we'll get you something else, okay?
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh,
I'm sure it'll be good. It doesn't matter. I'll take it. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all everything that I think is just absolutely adorable or cute, whatever, hot, you know. And then I'm gonna try like 3 things on, because I'm gonna narrow it down to like 3 things. And then when I get home, I'm gonna show you what I got. Maybe you could get this for the holidays. I don't know if you celebrate Christmas or whatever. Or you could just shop for yourself. So stick around and see what I got. Let me show y'all how cute this bag is. Look how cute this bag is. It's a silver bag. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Right? I think that this is really cute, especially to like if you're on a plane for traveling. It's only 30 bucks. That's cute. So I'm not at like the best Target in Orlando, but let me show you what I picked up so far. This is super cute. I really love the color green, especially like this. So I think this is cute, and I like the way the top is actually made, but I'll show you when I try it on. Let's go see what else we can find. Yeah, I'm literally gonna try this dress on. I know it doesn't look like much on the rack, but we're gonna see what it looks like. You can never go wrong with getting pajamas, right? But wait, look at this. How cute is this? You cannot tell me that that is not cute. That's cute. Look at these pajamas right here. I definitely want to try this on because I'm in the house a lot, y'all. I just be needing to be comfortable, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna try it in a medium because it looks rather big. Actually, I'm thinking a large would be good, so that way it's nice and comfy. Look at that. I saw Aaliyah's face talking about, she showed this in like her video. Let's try it. They have a medium large in the robe, the sweater. We'll do medium in the sweater. What about the pants? Let's see. They have a medium in the pants. And these are the pants, guys. So we're gonna try this. You see the other colors? They have it in white, and they also have it in this charcoal color. But I think Tiara also talked about it in her video, and she actually bought it. So we're gonna try it on. If I let you know what you're doing is just for pleasure, either let me or I'm a lesson. If you want me, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm with more than you could manage, baby. Oh, you're open with me. Oh, we could be good. Closer to me. Oh, giving me size. If you guys are into the matching pajama thing, Target has it. Look at this. It's so cute. The plaid. They have in all of these. Look at this. Oh my goodness. And this one. They have shorts. They have them in shorts. I like this. This is my favorite. And it comes with pants. So if you wanted to be snazzy, you could get yourself the top and the bottoms for your man, you know? Oh my gosh. This robe is so soft. So soft. They even come in like bags and 30% off. So it's a good to like put this under the tree. Really good gift. Look at this cute robe. It has hearts on it. And little shorts to go with it. Comes in white too, but the pink one's really cute. Okay, we're in the fitting room now. As you can see, that is me. And we're gonna try on a couple of outfits. All right, y'all, so this is outfit number 1. I just picked up a graphic tee. This is a double XL. I'm like a 140, 145. I'm about 5'5", 5'4.5". These shorts are a medium. It's a really cute outfit. You could wear this with like some blue sneakers, some pink, anything in the shirt, yellow. I would not wear black sneakers. It would take away from the fit. So if you wanted to pop, just throw on like a bright color. Even orange sneakers would work. And I picked out an orange sweater, so I'm gonna show y'all what the orange sweater looks like with the yellow shorts. So this is like with the orange hoodie. Again, I would not wear this with black sneakers, but yeah, it's kind of like a cropped hoodie or whatever, so you could fold it up. I would not lower the pants. The pants are high-waisted, so they're meant to come up. But yeah, I thought that this was cute. They are definitely not green. If you can see, they are yellow. Okay, and that's the pockets on them. And then this is how the fabric is on the sweater. That is this cute. But first of all, look at these pants. These are green, if you can see. They're like cargo pants, but they're like this really thin material, right? And they're kind of like, I don't know what you would call that at the bottom, but these are really cute. I just paired it with this jacket because I couldn't find like a top that I liked from here that I would wear with this. But you know, if this is your style. The only thing is like, it's kind of weird, like in the crotch area. It's not like as comfortable, I guess, if you pull them up. I'm so sorry that this is doing this. Yeah, I paired it with this top. What y'all think about these? This is the butt. Can you see? That's how it looks. It's a little pocket back there. Can you see it? I think it's cute. This is them in blue. Oh my gosh. I love the blue, especially with the orange. Yeah, not necessarily, I don't know if I would get this orange hoodie, but just to show like what the colors look like together, I really like this. It's super cute. Again, like, I don't know why the crotch is like that. You can tie it tighter. I picked up a medium. I believe this is a medium. Is it a medium? It's a medium. So yeah, it's just something about this color that does it for me. And the way that these colors go together, oh my God, it's so cute, right? I think it's a vibe. I actually like that a lot. I like it a lot. And the same thing, like the zipper. So, yeah, I think it's cute. Can you see? Oh my God, y'all, this is the dress. So this is a medium. I would definitely need a small, but it looks like a nightgown to me. So even if you got a small, I mean, I don't know if you would want to wear this to an event, but this is nice to wear around the house with your man. It's so cute, right? I think so. But yeah, definitely a small. I would not wear this. I mean, you could wear this as a dress. You want to get the right size because again, this is a medium and I would need a small. But you could wear this with like sneakers, you know? That would be okay. But around the house, or like if you're just chilling, having a little get together at the house, maybe. I don't know. I'm not a fan of this to just wear this to like an event or something. Maybe the park, I don't know, with some sneakers. You could do it. You could do it. I'm sorry that the color keeps coming in and out. Please forgive me. But yeah, this is it. It's actually cute, but you have to size down, okay? Definitely size down. You could wear this with some sneakers, but you would probably have to get it taken in or something, but it's actually cute. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not gonna hold you. It's cute. Okay, so actually, that pink dress was a small. So we'd have to get like, I'll have to do like an extra. I had to switch to my cell phone because the battery on my camera just died. So I'm sorry. But yeah, that pink dress is actually a small. It's not a medium, so you'll have to size down. I don't know if the camera got that. But this is nice, right? This is cute. Now this that I'm wearing, this is a large. I would definitely want this in a large. I would not want this to be fitted because you know when you're on the couch and you're moving around and stuff, or when you're in bed, like you need to be moving around. You feel me? So I actually like this. So the material's nice and the color's cute. It's cute. He's cute. Okay, so I actually like this. It's so big because they only had a large, they didn't have a medium or smalls. So I just wanted to show y'all this to see. It looks, I don't know. I'm gonna show you the other color because the other color is correct. Okay, so these were, I don't like this. I tried them on. This is a medium, but y'all, Anyway, look at this. I absolutely love this top. And I'm gonna see, these bottoms are mine. I got these from Fashion Nova, but I love this top. It's super cute. If they have some bottoms to go with this, I really like this. If you didn't know, I'm like into hoodies and stuff, but this is really snazzy. I like it. Goes with my skin complexion. Next outfit. So somebody is gonna like this. Nice bright green. The green is like the color of really beautiful grass. Like I don't know how to explain it. I don't know why it's showing up like this on camera. But yeah, somebody will like this. Look at the sleeves. Like, I don't know. But yeah. The groomer just called me and Paris is ready, so I'm gonna try on these pajamas and then we're gonna go get Paris. Okay, I know this looks like a little silly because I have it all on at once. I wish this came with like some type of belt, but I really like this. So this is a medium large, and the pants are a medium. This is really comfortable, and I have my shorts on under this, by the way. And so the top that I picked up, okay, so the top I picked up, this is actually a medium, and I really like this. This is so cute. I don't know what y'all think. To lounge around the house, like, I do need it because it's like getting cold right now. So I do like the robe. Some people get this larger though, so maybe I'll see if I can just grab this in a larger, like in a large instead of a medium. But I really like this. Anyway, time to go get Paris. Oh my gosh, how cute is this top? Let's say if you got those like slippers that I showed you guys with the smiley face on it in pink, with some cute pink pajama shorts. We're picking up Paris. And let's see how cute she looks. Okay, I'm back home. I got a bag. I got another bag. So I know I said that I was gonna get like 3 things. Technically, I did get 3 things, but I got the cozy pajamas, and I did grab a size large. I didn't get the robe, but I did get the bottoms to go with it because it's gonna be cold, you know? So this will be good. But look, I found slippers to go with it. How cute is that, right? Then I also picked up this top, and I have some high-waisted like black skinny pants that I could wear with this. So I'm gonna try this on because I want to see how this fits. But I saw this as I was going to the register, and this is a size large. This was the last one they had. They had some other cute tops too, but this one like really stuck out to me. So let's try it. Let's see how it fits. Y'all, this is so cute. Oh my God, I love it. I would wear it with like a black bra under it and my high-waisted pants, a cute little mini bag. I'll definitely have a necklace on. This would be so cute as a little outfit. Oh my gosh. And I'm glad that I got it in the larger size. But it's really warm. So what you think? Let me know what you like the best. I really did like the pink dress. As I was looking back at the video, I'm like, wow, that would look nice with some flats, like some cute flat sneakers. You could wear flat shoes with it, but like some cute flat sneakers and a cute like little bag, like mini bag. I'm not into like big oversized bags unless I'm like at the airport or whatever, but yeah. So I might go to like another Target, a better Target than the Target that I went to, and a different location, and see if they have it there, because that was really cute. That was really cute. I don't know. Anyway, thanks so much for watching my video. I'm actually getting ready to go work at an assisted living facility. I don't know if you guys know, if you are a CNA and if you're in Florida, you can get your med tech certification, and while you're in nursing school, you can pass meds there. They allow that. So I picked up a shift. I'm with an agency. I can talk about this in another video. So if you guys have made it this far and you're interested in finding out like what agency I'm with and like the work that I do and like stuff like that, just let me know. Either way, I'm gonna make a video about like comfortable shoes to wear to work and kind of like where you can get funding from school and stuff. That'll probably be my next video, maybe. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. I would definitely appreciate it. See you in the next one. Bye.